Hey there, I have something to share with you today. And I'll be the first to admit I'm not the best about cleaning my makeup brushes, and I know how important it is. So when I saw this electric brush cleaner on Amazon, I had to give it a try, and I thought I would try it for the first time along with you. It came packaged in this cool little box, and when you open it, you find a base with all different size I guess handles that you put your brush in to clean, and the little spinner that you attach your brush to, a bowl that you put a bit of water in, and a USB cord for charging, which I love because I don't have to keep it plugged in. So these are my three most used brushes, my favorite brushes. They happen to be BhCosmetics brushes, but these are the ones I pretty much use every day. So let's give it a try together. I'm going to clean this one first. So I'm going to find the most appropriate size handle. Seems to fit in here pretty nice, pretty snug. And you just slip that onto here. With any brush cleaning instructions, it's the same. You're not supposed to get the metal part wet, just the top, so you don't put too much water in. So let me just see. I think that should be enough. And it says to put just a little antibacterial soap in. So first it says to swish it around. I'm swishing. And then the fun part, turn it on. Whoa! Oh my goodness. Well, that's pretty cool. Can you see all the makeup coming out of it? That's awesome. Okay, it says to turn it off. That's a lot of makeup that came out of there. That's my blush brush. And then there's a way to dry it. I'm not sure if my camera's gonna get splashed, so let's just see what happens. Watch out. I definitely got splashed. That is so cool. So this is the drying. Very cool. Looking pretty good. It looks different than it has in a while. It's all fluffy. I want to try a different size. So I'm going to slip this one back on. Oh, I'm really impressed with how clean it came, how much came out of it, and how fluffy it is. So obviously my eyeshadow brush handle's a lot thinner. So I'm going to try a thinner holder. I think I found the right one. Not too hard. And pop it in here. Swish it in the water without getting the metal part wet, and turn it on. There we go. It's doing the work. Well, I get a kick out of it. I think it's pretty cool. And so easy. Turn it off and spin it dry. Very cool. Well, I'm going to keep going, and I'm going to do my last one. Feel free to do it along with me. I love how compact the storage is. That's great. And my brush looks so clean. That's two done. And then my foundation brush. This one's got to really have a lot of makeup in it. All right, let's find the right size. I'm guessing, nope, I guessed wrong. I got it. Second try, not so bad. So it fits right on. Fits on here. Dip it in. And let's go. It actually smells really good too because of the soap I used. So it's a pleasant experience as well. Wow. a lot of foundation coming out of there. I'm keeping the metal part of the brush out. Okay, now for the fun part, to spin dry. Watch out! Huh, it's a different color now. And that's it. I have 3 clean brushes and I'm good to go. So I'm loving this product. I'll give you a link where you can buy it, and I hope you love it too.